No, let's just close our library project and create our project, our schematic and PCB project, so we can build our own PCB. Let's just close this. We did save it, so we can close it. Now let's just create our PCB project. File, new. It's no starting. Until now you just creating component library. That's it. Now you want to use those library for your project. Let's click project, PCB project. You see it's creating default project for you. Click here, add new to project, schematic. So you create a schematic here and put it under this. Let's just save it. It telling you to save it in where do you want to save it? This I want to save it in, let's just go to see my project, and in here PCB, and call it what? Call it relay module. I want to call it relay module. Let's just call it master relay module. This is what name I want to save this, and let's just save project, save it in this location and call it master. Clear this and save it. So now we have a sheet that we can draw our own schematic. You see, let's just go to that and see what is creating. You see two files it's creating. What one is project PCB and one is what schematic that we create here. This is a schematic. So because this project is not a big project, we can just have one in here. See, one is enough. In here you can, this is libraries. All the library that you have is here. Let's just click here and choose Navit library, and in here we just search ESP, so we place it in here. That's our ESP, and right click to get rid of all the other. You see, this is a star. Why this is a star? Because you didn't choose a designator. What we should do now, let's just clear this. You can do this here. Let's just double click it and choose a designator. In here you can choose U question mark. That's okay, you can use it here. So Altium will decide which number should this question mark have. That's okay. Let's just go to library again and use our MCU that we created. Maybe it's not in here. You see, that's it. it's just our library is duplicated, so this is the one that we want. We can, let's just go to libraries, and where it is installed, this is not our library that we want to use, and we did, so this is a duplicate, so I remove it and close this, so there will be no mistake. Just click here and click and search for our MCU that we created, place it, see, that's it. Right click to get rid of it, all the other. So let's just know, you see it has this by itself. We don't want to change it here because in library we did put it there, so that's okay. Now we have all we want, and from the other libraries that Altium provide for us, we can create our own PCB. Let's just save this, save all,